Clean all areas. Epoxy resin may block both sides. While you put IC, if the below pads are not good, then you got a trouble. While placing the IC on correct position, put some flux. Clean all pads with solder wick. Must be flat and shine. Again put some flux. Put IC in the correct position. Cool down for 5 minutes. Let's check the PCB. On important tips. If you're doing any hardware job, then first always use DC power supply. Then confirm no any further problem. After then, use battery on iPhone. Put the PCB on the frame. Here you previous C sourcing then no service. And now no SIM. And also IMEI shown on asterisk has 06 has. Inside the setting, here you can see modem firmware 2. Now insert SIM and you can see network appears means problem was fixed. If that stuff is helpful and you have got some new idea, then share with friends. Drop your valuable comment below and don't forget to post any query about that video. If you updated yourself on Apple Center content, subscribe to our channel, The GSM Solution. Hello, this is Akash and peace out till the next time.